Hi everyone! Amazake is a Japanese traditional drink made from fermented rice. I'll show you how to make it using rice cooker. First, let's make okayu. Okayu is a Japanese rice porridge. Today I'll be using 1 cup of dry rice to make a porridge. If you use quick cooking mode, you can make porridge in about 20 minutes. It is still hot at around 100 degrees, so it is important to cool it down to about 50 degrees. Temperature is a key to making amazake. If the temperature is too low, the koji won't grow and ferment the rice. If it's too high, the heat will kill koji, so keep right temperature is super important. Did you know koji is used to make many Japanese traditional food? It is magic behind soy sauce, miso, sake, and even mirin. Koji is really the heart of Japanese cuisine. Amazake is a nutrient-packed probiotic drink, often called a drinkable IV. It's rich in vitamins, support digestion, boost immunity, and promote healthy skin. Unlike kombucha, it's caffeine-free, naturally sweet, and perfect for quick energy and gut health. I just really love it. It's a cozy, vegan-friendly alternative to sugary drinks. Again, make sure keep the temperature around 50s. It depends on the rice cooker, but with mine, lid is completely closed. The temperature gets too high, so I leave mine slightly cracked open and place the weight on the top. At this point, the color of the rice changes from translucent to a richer white. The color looks great and temperature is right. Now let it rest for another 3 hours. Yay, amazake is ready. Amazake has been a part of Japanese culture for centuries. All the way back to the 8th century, mentioned in Nihon Shoki, the oldest historical text, whether a drink, natural sweetener, or even in cooking. Today, I'll be enjoying with my family for our New Year celebration. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and follow, and I will catch you in the next one. Happy New Year!